Hi all, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add the CaravanID app or shortcut to the home screen of your Android device. It is very similar for iOS devices, but there are one or two differences, so I'll cover that in a separate video. On this occasion we're just looking at Android devices, and I should mention too that the browser I'm using is Google Chrome, but it could be whatever browser you use typically. So the first thing I'm going to do is open my browser, and I'm going to clear out the cache here. The cache is simply a history of sites you've visited previously. Sometimes that can mess up settings, so we want to clear that. And what we do is we go up here to the three dots, the ellipse, click on that and scroll down to settings. Within settings we want to choose privacy and security, and at the top of this one we want to do clear browsing data. Now in this window you'll see there are typically 4 options. The first 3 will be checked and the last one won't be. The last one is your saved passwords. You really don't want to clear that, otherwise you'll have to re-enter all the passwords for your apps or websites that you typically visit on a regular basis. So leave that one unchecked, but make sure you have checked the other 3 and select clear data. You might get a wee pop-up to say that it wants permissions to carry on, so just click on clear. And that's that done. Return to your home screen. Now what I want to do is go back into the browser after clearing the cache, and I'm going to go to the CaravanID website. So just type in CaravanID.com. Now you should see 3 pop-ups appearing here. If you don't see these, it means you haven't cleared your browser properly. So you'll probably have to go back and redo it. So the 3 you're looking for is, we've got a data protection notice here with the green button, we've got one here for adding to the home screen, and we've got another one at the back for push notifications. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to click accept to accept the data protection notice. Then I'm going to go down to this add CID to home screen. So we'll just click on that, and it asks you, do you want to install or cancel? So just click install. And the last one is, would you like to receive important notifications from CaravanID? Click allow. The important notifications, I should add, are nothing to do with sales or anything generic. It's a means of pushing a message out to all members, if you like, or all people with the app installed, about things like vans being stolen or important information. We'll never abuse the system, and you can always unsubscribe later on. So for just now, click allow. You should see this little bell icon down to the bottom right hand side, reduces in size. If you hover over it, you'll see that you can, or if you click on it rather than hover over, you can unsubscribe again, so you're not going to be harassed by notifications from us. That's essentially the setup. So I'm going to return to the home screen, and if you now go to your apps drawer, in this case I just scroll up, I think it is, in fact I'll cancel that one and scroll up, and you can see it's given me this icon CID. It's in my apps drawer, but I can drag that and drop it over onto my desktop somewhere, wherever I want it to be. There we are. So I'll just pop it there for the moment. And that's it now, my desktop. So in future, rather than having to go into Chrome and type in CaravanID.com and so on, I can just simply click on this icon on my desktop and it will take you right into that. The difference is it takes away all the messy header information that you would get using a browser. You're straight into being able to use the app. So we'll give it a quick try here. So if I go into lookup, and I'll search on try my own van for a wee minute there and just submit, and there, as you can see, it's working absolutely perfectly. So if I go back to the home screen, there we are, there's my icon, there's my desktop. A lot easier than the old method of installing applications through app stores and the like. Hope this helps. Thanks.